it is, family. Quick, simple, easy, and delicious sausage jambalaya. Yeah. What's up with it, family? In the place, in your face, it's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another delicious recipe. And today we're gonna make us a delicious, simple sausage jambalaya. As you can see, very few ingredients, but we're gonna make it also delicious. So let's waste no time and jump into this sausage jambalaya. Yeah. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our sausage cut up. I'm gonna show you how we stretch our sausage. So you're gonna split it in the middle. We have two sides, just like that. Then you're just gonna get out the way. One more time, for those who didn't catch it. So we just split our sausage in half, and then we cut them at our bias cut. It's gonna fill out the pot, make it look like it's more sausage than what it really is. So let me get this other half cut up. We're gonna move on to the stove. Look at that, it's a lot of sausage. We're gonna start off with some avocado oil. Let's get that in our pan and just let that heat. So our oil is hot. Let's get these sausage in there, baby. So we're just gonna cook these for about a minute to 2 minutes. We're gonna come back. We're gonna add our holy trinity, which is our bell pepper, green bell pepper, our onion, and our celery. So let's just cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. So we got it cooking. We're gonna let it stay just like this. We're not gonna stir it. We're not gonna move it around because we wanna develop some crust on the other end of the sausages. It's gonna help it with our texture. Okay, so we got our sausage cooking how we need it to cook. It should be where we need it to be. So yeah, it's where we need it to be. We got that texture on that other end. Oh yeah. There we go. All right. Now let's get it out of here. Get it in the bowl or whatever you want to put it in. We're gonna add this back later. Got that sausage, just where we need it to be at, baby. Now let's add a holy trinity. We're gonna throw that celery in now. Throw our onion in now. And that bell pepper in there, baby. There you go. And we're just gonna saute this for about a minute or two. Real quick process. And we already cooking on medium-high heat. So this takes no time, especially considering how small I cut these up as. All right, we got our holy trinity sauteed how we need it. Let's go ahead and add our rice in here. Mix that in. Right, now we're just gonna toast our rice, brown it basically. So just toast it till it gets brown, till you start to smell it. It becomes fragrant. I'm using jasmine rice. It's one of my favorites, but you can use whatever kind you choose. But this is what we got right here, good old jasmine rice. We're just gonna continue to brown this. We're gonna come back, we're gonna add our broth, and we're gonna take it from there. All right, so we got our rice browned. Now we're gonna add our chicken broth in there. Start to deglaze the pan. And however you normally cook rice, that's the same way you're gonna cook it in here. The liquid to rice ratio. Normally it's every 2 cups for 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. I'm just slowly adding it and wasting it at the same time. But that's all right though, we're gonna be all right. All right, as you can see, we got that rice going pretty good. So let's get our sausage back in there. Mix that in. And let's go ahead and reduce. Keep listening. Let's go ahead and reduce our heat to medium. We was at medium high, now we're going to medium. So let's just make sure everything is mixed up. Try not to be like me and waste stuff everywhere. But we got it all mixed up. All right, one last thing. We got it at a pretty good simmer right there. Let's go ahead and add our Cajun seasoning. So you can use Slappy Mama, you can use Tony Satchery, or you can just whip up your own Cajun seasoning, baby, like I did. Let's get it all in here. And just like with everything else, let's just get it mixed in, mixed up, and mingling and doing what it's supposed to be doing. So now we're just gonna pop us a lid on it, and we just gonna evaporate the chicken broth in there, and it's gonna be ready. All right, so we got everything in there. We got it all mixed in good. We done reduced our heat. Pop us a lid on it. 15, 20 minutes. We're gonna remove this lid. I'm gonna show you what we made, baby. So we just coming back to peek on it, see what we got. So we got about another 5 to 7 minutes. Let this this chicken broth evaporate. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be all. We're gonna have us some delicious sausage jambalaya, y'all. All right, y'all. This delicious jambalaya is ready. Most definitely. See what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Rich with flavor, baby. Rich with flavor. There we go. Ain't nothing sticking. As you can see, look at the bottom. Just as clean as a whistle. There we go. There it is, family. Quick, simple, easy, and delicious sausage jambalaya. Ooh, yeah. That's all, family. Let's get to the table. Family, we done knocked us off another delicious recipe. Check us out. We got that good old sausage jambalaya, baby. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Sausage jambalaya, baby. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Still hot, but we gonna dig in anyway. Gotta get that sausage on there. Steaming. Hot, baby. That's it right there. Rich with flavor. Rice is tender. Sausage is what they doing, what they supposed to be doing. Tasting good. Delicious. One pan sausage jambalaya, baby. And as always, if you like this video, hit the like button. Share it with your people. Let them know what's going on over here at That Boy Can Cook. If it's your first, second, third, fourth time, think about hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you keep that notification bell on so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Because we doing it. That Boy Can Cook, out the place, out your face. Till next time. Gone, baby. A bowl of jambalaya. Sausage jambalaya.